Hey guys, I'm Anushri and this is my friend Tejaswini Karantha. We're meeting after 5 years here in Goa and we are in this resort which is very beautiful as you can see from the background. It has 2 private lakes and the breakfast was okay, so that's what I care about. And the boating is closed and the turn off part of Goa, this is our first day and it's raining, so and we had booked a bike, so we can't even go anywhere. So we are just exploring the property right now. Tejaswini is exploring the property. I'm exploring the property. So guys, as you can see, the resort is really huge. Like it's spread across a lot of acres. I don't remember how many acres, but you can just imagine because it has 2 private lakes, that too these huge ones. We have nowhere to go today because of this stupid rains. And Tejaswini is just enjoying herself because she doesn't care about the rains, but I do. I get a severe headache. Let me show you how close the lake water is from us. It's this close. There's water there, there's water here, there's water here, there's water there, there's water everywhere. What?
Rain is also coming everywhere.
Rain is also coming, yeah, there's water in the air also. So there's water everywhere. Huh.
Everyone wants to go to washroom.
Everyone wants to go to washroom, like literally in half an hour. You came from Hyderabad. So the flight from Hyderabad is 1 hour, na?
What?
So
That urgent, that much.
yeah, and for us, like from Mumbai to Goa, the flight was literally half an hour, and the people are just lining up just to pee. Like I don't understand, Itna. Where is your management? Like you should at least go. Honestly, the flight toilets are not even that great. And where is your like pee management? I should call it. You should go before only, na. Lining up against the. See, this is the kids zone, guys. This is the kids zone. Arey yaar, wherever I go, there's this umbrella, but I don't want to leave the umbrella. Anyways, it's a good, well-maintained property, and we got it for cheap, maybe because it's raining also here. We got it for I think $2.5, 2.5 thousand bucks per night. So that's good. The boating is closed, nahi to yahan pe the boats are lined up, I'm thinking. And so this is the main road. So this is of course not from the property. This is different. But yeah, this is the entire property till there. It's still there. Last May. Now you have brought this kida in me for vlogging, so I think I'll vlog each and every conversation.
Okay.
So what were we discussing?
How to get the raincoat?
Yeah, so guys, because we just have one umbrella and that's from the property. You can see RMD on top. So we don't have umbrellas and it's going to rain the entire day. So now we are planning to go out, head out and just buy an umbrella or a poncho or a raincoat, whatever Tejaswini, whatever we see, whatever we get our hands on, because of course we are not going to stay in the property. It's our first day in Goa and this is not what we had expected. So we had a lot of things planned, but unfortunately plans are meant to be
Broken.
Plans are meant to be broken, at least in my case and your case also. Can you not do what you're doing? Okay, so these are the flowers plucked from the property. They are plucked.
Yes.
They are plucked. Okay, that's the kids zone. Of course there's an umbrella, so I won't be able to show you the kids zone, but whatever it is, it's a good property. And either ways, the plan was we're not going to stay indoors anyway, so we just booked it. So now we are heading out to buy ponchos, and वो मिलने के बाद में probably we'll go to a shack or something. In Baga, Kalangut, every famous like Anjuna and all. No, not Anjuna. Baga and Kalangut is literally 5 to 10 minutes by bike. By walking, it's 30 minutes.
This one you hold.
I
You
can't.
know this one?
Yeah,
You know what is
it's
this?
a
You know what
coconut,
is
na?
this?
It's a coconut.
You know that we can eat this?
Can we eat that?
Oh, yes.
No, I don't know. Are you serious?
Wait, I'll show you. This one you have to take out.
Huh.
This one you can eat.
Yeah.
Can
The
eat?
coconut is in my photo. Yeah, eat it. Are you serious? I've never seen a person eat this.
Because you never been in coastal areas, I think.
I am from Ratnagiri, but I've never eaten a coconut like this.
Wanna do?
No, thanks. No, seriously. You guys in Karnataka, you eat coconuts like this? So you're talking about getting high on coconuts.
Yeah, that inside part,
The part which you ate.
Yeah.
Huh.
I mean, if you go a little more deep down, you feel that, a little tipsy.
How many coconuts do I need to eat before I get tipsy?
It depends upon each one. Maybe 2-3 you need to eat.
2-3 coconuts.
No, it's not coconuts. It's like
Baby
small,
coconuts.
yeah,
Yeah, the small ones. जो गिर जाते हैं ना guys, whenever you see a coconut tree and it छोटे छोटे coconuts पड़े रहते हैं. So that's the coconut she's talking about. Continue.
Yeah, that one. If you eat, there's a little tipsy what you feel.
And by supari also you get tipsy. I did not know that. That's news for me.
So supari also. That is the reason that people eat supari. Why?
No, really.
To get that little tipsy.
Oh.
This riding here will be so nice.
Yeah, 15 minutes of walking in the rain with the hotels umbrella. We haven't found any raincoat or umbrella shop. Is there a general store there? No.
So this is the red color.
But this is closed. Are you serious?
Anything can
I don't think so. It's locked from here. It's locked from the outside. How is he going to open it from the inside, Tejaswini? रेनकोट वाला कुछ है क्या आसपास इधर? पोंचो रेनकोट या इसके लिए कितना चाहिए? दो. So how much time were we outside searching for ponchos? So we were there for around 15-20 minutes in the rain with one umbrella and two tall people. Like I'm 6 feet tall and she's
5'10".
5'10". And we finally bought ponchos. And you know what happened? I just wanted to make it more airy. We were told that for the last 15 days, Goa was completely dry. And now that we are here and it's our first day, it had to rain. It's raining crazily and we got those ponchos जो बाजू में से फट गया है. So anyways, it's not useless for me, but it's at the same time, yeah, please take your phone. So we got ponchos. Now we are heading to the shack in this. And I look pregnant, but that's actually my bag inside. What are you trying to open?
Dicky. It has opened. No, it is not. I never rode in on.
So guys, our dicky is not opening and we have so much stuff to put inside the dicky and now it's not
No,
opening.
it opened. My phone is inside.
So why are you trying to open it again?
To keep that one.
To keep this?
Yeah.
It's okay. I'm not sure if you can see, but the rain is crazy here. And now the problem is that we forgot to fill petrol. So the shack which I that I suggested, that's a bit inside. It's on Kalangut only, but it's away from the roads. So asking the shack if they have any petrol in a bottle is the best chance we have. नहीं तो पूरा बाहर तक, I mean we have petrol now, like it's like almost on the edge. So once the petrol is over, हम लोग को गाड़ी को manually will have to take it outside. And it's raining, so it's a turn off, to be very honest with you. And कुछ फायदा नहीं हुआ. This raincoat, I have water inside everywhere, and I don't know. I just want to get out of this and just chill for a bit. And I really hope I get dry. I mean, because it's not something you want. I mean, मेरे बाल भी गीले हो गए हैं. Challenges के ऊपर पानी कौन उड़ा के गया? Challenges के ऊपर challenges है. So her phone is in the bike dicky and the dicky is not opening. It's raining. We both are wet. We want to go and enjoy on the shack and dicky नहीं खुल रही है. उसका phone dicky के अंदर है. It's annoying. It opened. Guys, it opened. The dicky opened. Please take everything you have, huh? Did you close it? Close the dicky. It's getting wet.
What if I close it again? It doesn't open.
Why do we need sunglasses? Now the dicky is wet because you kept the lid open. Challenges, guys, challenges are always there. But I'm sure within half an hour we will be all dried up, na? I wish I could get my hand fan. You only told me not to get it. And now see, we would have used that hand fan on my own entire body. So what I was trying to say is that it has stopped raining. As you can see from here, we are at Oceanic, whatever 20, and it has stopped raining. So we want the weather to be exactly like this till we are awake, till we have our eyes open, till the night. Let it rain all night. We don't give a shit. Whatever happens at night, we don't care. But as long as we are awake, I want this weather. Nothing else. You have anything?
All good, all good.
It's all good, all good, all good. I'm not hyper at all. That's something which we had got in college. She lost it, and that's actually mine. And I brought it on the trip because I wanted to show her that I'd kept it safe. And this girl lost it. We had got it together because we just thought we'll wear it, and it's a very cool earpiece. See, it's a very cool earpiece. Now the site is blocked because it's from Soul Curry. It's called Soul Curry. Take a sip and let me know how it is. It's Tejaswini's first time trying Soul Curry, guys. How is it? Tell me how is it?
Good.
It's good? Okay.
We prepare this, but we prepare in a different way.
So you guys prepare Soul Curry?
So, this is Soul Curry. What they say in Konkan in Marathi or Konkani. But actually, ಇದು ಪುನಾರ್ಪುಳಿ ತಂಬ್ಳಿ without ಒಗ್ಗರಣೆ in Mangalore. Okay? It's ಪುನಾರ್ಪುಳಿ ತಂಬ್ಳಿ. So, ಪುನಾರ್ಪುಳಿ ತಂಬ್ಳಿ ತಿನ್ನೋದು ತುಂಬ ಸಮಯ ಆಯಿತು.
Should I go for it or should
You should go for it.
Because you're introducing, so
No, I just felt it like ಪುನಾರ್ಪುಳಿ ತಂಬ್ಳಿ. So, ಅಷ್ಟೇನಿಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಪುನಾರ್ಪುಳಿ ತಂಬ್ಳಿ. ಪುನಾರ್ಪುಳಿ ತಂಬ್ಳಿ ಅನ್ನು ಜ್ಯೂಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ.
these fat fish people have added a lot of water.
Yeah.
उनको लग रहा है मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहा है. I'm authentic Ratnagirikar and I know this is not the real Soul Curry.
Yeah.
So
And
I'll let Tejaswini enjoy this Soul Curry because it's not something which I can have.
I'm gonna have it as ಪುನಾರ್ಪುಳಿ ತಂಬ್ಳಿ
Please go
without ಒಗ್ಗರಣೆ. Okay? Say cheese. ಇಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ನಾ ಮುಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು.
He's so heavy. It's like I'm holding a dog.
Oh, this is so good. He's also giving us juice.
He's actually so cute, this baby. I don't want to go from this place.
I am going.